Yo, what's up? It's the beautiful day here in Bali in Sanur. We are in the property of Hyatt, Regency, beautiful gardens, and we're gonna show you a little bit around what's going on. It's been a week when I was filming in Bali. Probably some of you already missing some vlogs from Bali, right?
Yeah, so actually today's weather is hot and the humidity I think is very high. So I think that Damian needs to slowly adapt again with the weather. So we decided just stroll around in Sanur to showing you how is the Hyatt area and also the restaurant by the beach.
So that's the gardens of Hyatt Regency. There is the beach, pizzeria, some hotel restaurant, dogs.
Oh, that's my favorite dog.
Your favorite dog, right? You still remember during the pandemic we were coming here often, right?
Yes, and then when it was pandemic, we just came here because I think when the beach was closed, the only access to go to the beach only you have to go by the hotel. And seems like everything now is slowly is coming back. Many tourists already coming back. And I remember that restaurant used to close, but now it's open. So nice.
And that's the pool situation in Hyatt Regency, just in case if you would like to stay, or maybe you are staying right now here, or maybe you used to stay, or maybe you're gonna stay soon. How does it look like? Definitely very moderate and very enjoyable. One of my favorite hotels in Sanur so far. Whew, somebody just jumped to the pool. Very nice actually, environment. Busy but not overcrowded, so you can enjoy the time by the pool. And also there is the breeze just next to the ocean, next to the beach actually, little bit windy, so cool. And now I'm gonna get back to the beach. And the vibes by the beach, slightly busier, very moderate, and very enjoyable generally. I'm gonna make a loop 360 degrees, show you how it is here at the front. And yeah. Enjoyable,
nice,
isn't it?
Very nice, and the beach is super clean, and now is the low tide. So yeah, Damian will stroll around to show you how is over there. That area is famous for the restaurant by the beach. So nice.
It's Sunday afternoon, so some people enjoying their time, walking, strolling everywhere around, mix between tourists and locals. Also, that's the pizzeria restaurant, very nice place for the generally Italian cuisines. They had a nice pizza, but now the quality slightly decreased for some reason. But that's also the view of the beach here, little bit around. I'm gonna show you very low tide, as Winnie mentioned, very low tide, so you can walk nearly 1 kilometer deep inside the ocean if you would like to, and the water shouldn't be deeper than 1 meter. The boats and an over 360 loop. How does it look like? And then there are so many restaurants over there. It's nearly 5 p.m. Sunday afternoon. They're gonna have a big event here in La Playa. You should be familiar with La Playa, one of the very popular spots here. That's how does it look like. And obviously, as is it Sunday, is slightly just simply busier than any other day, especially in Sanur. So I just wanted to show you. This is the strip with the restaurants, So if you don't want to eat in the hotel every single day and you don't want to walk very far or drive a taxi or something, you can just simply come here and enjoy some of the restaurants. That's the one of them here. This one, Coco Bistro, is one of my favorites for the pizza. I used to eating here during the pandemic, so many promotions. Now the prices come back, so it's not that extremely affordable like it was, but still not bad anyways. Nice pizza. There's another restaurant here. All of them, they facing ocean. Yo, what's up, little doggo? Doggo is just watching the ocean and enjoying the Sunday afternoon breeze. Not so many people on the beach, by the way. This is mostly because it's low tide, and I don't know. Mostly, I think that's it. This is also Omba, pretty nice place for coffee or maybe also some food. Also pretty alright pizza. And some other restaurants there. Here, this one have drinks and seafood mostly. As you see, special offer of the day. Izakaya is also here, also popular for the seafood. I never eat in both of them actually, but another one is Lila. I used to eat there pretty often, also a long time ago. It's not that busy. Maybe the people coming a little bit later, around 6 perhaps, because at 5 still pretty quiet. Or maybe it's just simply quieter in Sanur. Been like 2 weeks when I was filming here last time, so I'm not sure. But Yeah, that's how it is. And at the end of the strip, you have, of course, a little bit of the beach. Behind me is the Intercontinental Hotel in Sanur. There is also one tapa restaurant. Many expats, especially retirement expats, are dining there usually. So that was pretty enjoyable little stroll here. In case if you're staying in one of those hotels, you know where to eat. If you don't want to eat in the hotels, obviously, some nice restaurants. I'm gonna come back now to the Hyatt and Andaz and show you other side. I'm back to the Hyatt Regency area. I want to face the beach a little bit now, perhaps to show you a little bit. Actually, this piece of beach here is very nice. Just met some lovely viewers from Perth, actually, from Swan Valley, sitting in one of the restaurants in Sanur. So it's pretty cool. I just come back yesterday. Anyways, just was thinking. Also, I was reading one of the news, as there will be like demolition of these restaurants at the end of the year. I'm not really sure about that, if it's actually confirmed fact or it's just another rumor, because so many rumors in Bali in general all the time. Like another rumor where the amount of tourists who coming to Bali in the future are gonna be limited by the governor of Bali and minister of tourism or infrastructure, whatever, so many ministers here. This is just the idea, the same idea like with the banning the motorbikes. They not gonna ban the motorbikes in Bali, they're just gonna execute the rules. You have to have a driving license, international driving license, and there are official fines for that. So with this limitation and with this demolition of the restaurants, I'm totally not sure. We have to wait and see how it's gonna look like in the real life. So if you heard something, yeah, you can let me know, but wait for the official news. And this is the beach just at the front of the Hyatt Regency. Really beautiful. Also the weather is nice. It's hot and humid. It's definitely, my breath is different than in Australia, especially in the last week when the weather was beautiful. But overall the weather also is pretty nice. No more rain in Bali. The rain season is officially finished, so happy days. Also, as I mentioned already many times in Sanur, in Nusa Dua and anywhere else, this is the hotel Hyatt Regency. They preparing some place for the romantic dinner or some sort of thing like this one, and just at the front of it there are some local people chilling and enjoying, like those lovely people, this lady, and they are over there. So it's totally no problem. The beaches in Bali, they are not private one, belongs to the hotel, they are public. The only hotels have the beds on the beach a little bit, but after that you can just enjoy, so don't worry about that. And also on the other side there is the like a volleyball pitch, people playing a volleyball. This is also these trees and everything. There is the Hyatt Regency Hotel property, but they are just normal people just playing the volleyball here, so it's totally no problem. And that's the little border between the Hyatt Hotel and Andaz. Now the electric scooters are banned, so only the bicycles are allowed here, so it's not that bad. Some people are still running, jogging, and this is already the property of Andaz. Also very enjoyable, beautiful places. The Andaz property, which is the sister or brother of Hyatt, the same group, Hyatt group. Busier than Hyatt for some reason by the sunbeds. They have a swimming pool facing the ocean more directly, maybe that's the one of the reasons. And overall the situation here, very enjoyable afternoon. Very enjoyable stroll today and Sunday afternoon, isn't it, Sayang?
Yeah, so happy to see that Damian back from, his Perth trip. And I would like to say thank you also for those of you who help and support Damian during his trip in Perth. Thank you so much, and hopefully that we can see you later on when you are back holiday to Bali.
And behind the hotels there are local warungs, actually only one local warung. Some people chilling here having some bintang on the very affordable price. Some people walking with little star. And then another hotel is gonna be a Maya Sanur. This is the beach at the front of the Maya Sanur hotel. Definitely busier, definitely more local vibe, but also there are foreigners and locals mixed together. Actually, this is Penida Hotel, exactly particularly here, but behind this wall there is already the Maya. They have also some happy hours usually. Pretty busy strip here. Usually, for some reason, it's quite a lot of people here and there, either on the footpath and either on the beach. So you can find the local vibes and the hotel vibes, everything in the same spot, like very close walking distance. That's the Maya. Also used to make a few videos at the inside, usually like when we talk about something very important. And that's the one of the beach. Very actually busy through the local communities here. For some reason, locals really like to hang out here, especially on Sunday afternoon. As you can see, pretty busy with the locals. All right, guys. So that was the first day after I come back from Australia in Bali. A little stroll around. Take it easy. Tomorrow I will meet some more difficult. A lot of walking probably tomorrow or something. So yeah.
Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya. Take care,
Bye.
guys.